Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about the fact that we've got a little bit of a mixed bag today. We've got some news that has come out that basically shows that there's a tremendous amount of confidence in Shiba. There is a whale who bought $150 billion with a B, $150 billion worth of Shiba a few days ago. That's well over $1 million plus in one single transaction. So we're going to look at that. We're going to look at that and we're going to talk about the ramifications of that and what this really means, confidence levels, etc. Also, though, we've got Shiba down a little bit, but it's a correlation, word of the day, there you go, to the overall markets being down. So we're going to talk about all this in the State of the Union. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Appreciate you and your support. Thank you so much of myself, my channel, my videos. You guys know I need to talk to you about my overall Patreon deal. And here's why I talk about Patreon. Simply put, I need and want to help people. And if you want help, if you want access to me, who doesn't want more Austin in their life? If you want portfolio guidance, for me to take a look at your portfolio and tell you what you've got, what you think, what I think you should have, guidance, you can model it off of my inner circle portfolio. You get access to that as well. You also get buy, sell, trade alerts, and you get hot crypto alerts and all that kind of stuff. You get to become part of a community. Okay, so if you're tired of being alone in your crypto journey, come on down. Links are in the description below, by the way. You can join and cancel at any time. And let's just call it what it is. At $20, guys, this is less than 3 or 4 trips to Starbucks, depending upon what size and what you're buying. Or they give it this way, it's less than what it costs you to go out to lunch or dinner one time a month. So is your crypto journey, is your crypto assets, your crypto world worth more than 20 bucks? That's what you got to ask yourself. All right, with all that said, let's move on. All right, so as I mentioned, okay, the overall markets are down, and if you look at this right here, the overall crypto market is down 2.76%. So you got Bitcoin. Yes, I know this is a Shiba Inu video, but we need to always remember, talk about it in the context of everything going else. Shiba Inu does not live by itself on its own little island, okay? So Bitcoin's down, Ethereum is down, Cardano is down. So the top 3 major cryptos that really do set kind of the tone for the overall market are down between 9 and 2%, give or take. 2%, 5, and 9 respectively, okay? So they are driving the overall crypto market. All right, so and also I want to show you this, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is very relevant for one simple reason. When you start to get higher levels of here, like these 79, it starts to be an indicator of significant greed, okay? And let me get this to right here. When investors are too greedy, that means that the market is due for a correction, okay? I like it when we are right in the kind of the high 60s, low 70 range. That's kind of where I like it to be. And so it feels like when we're kind of in that range, we are, the markets are green, everything's kind of good, there's nice little movements here and there and things like that. So we're starting to get a little bit of extremely too greedy, if you will. And that equals we are heading for potentially a correction, which would show you and correlate to what you see right here with this being down, this being down, this being down. Okay. Again, something to consider. All right, so SHIB itself is down 6.65%. Has nothing to do with Shiba Inu, okay? I always want to state that for the record. By the way, I'm not being paid by anybody at SHIB to produce this video. I've been making Shiba Inu videos since May, since I've started, all in and started covering crypto and things like that. So again, not being, it has nothing to do with SHIB, guys. Really is what I want you to understand, okay? Again, down 6.65%, down respectively, those are percentages as well. Also, Dogecoin tends to move exactly in kind of step with SHIB. So Dogecoin, you can see right here highlighted, Dogecoin is down 8.8%, okay? It's actually down a little bit more than SHIB. Again, not a problem. Here's what I would say. This is not investment advice coming. By the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I don't think I said that. Okay, opportunities. Period, end of story. I mean, Cardano at this level, nice opportunity. Solana continues to just defy all odds. I wish I would have bought it when it was about 20 or 30 bucks. Almost didn't, missed that one. It is what it is. Okay, but there is opportunities right here, right now, to be looking at maybe doing some shopping, okay? I realize that it's hard to buy, say, for example, Uniswap when it's down 10%. But ask yourself this fundamental one question. Do you believe in the overall crypto market, and do you believe that it's going to go back up again? And if your answer to that is yes, then it is a buying opportunity. Ethereum at $3,700, not a bad opportunity. Think of it this way. It's at a 5% discount right now versus what it was earlier. That's how I look at it, okay? So maybe pick a level and look at where you might want to be picking up. So with that, Shiba in the sixes, not a bad buy if you believe in the long-term viability of SHIB, right? So that's kind of where I would say, interesting enough. This negative price point right now has nothing to do with SHIB. Okay, so let's talk about this whale. So over the weekend, we had a pretty massive spike. We moved up from in the sixes all the way up into the sevens plus, and there was a huge, massive candlestick, okay? And that was what you're seeing on the screen was that major buy. So a whale bought 150 billion Shiba Inu coins. SHIB continues uptrend. Again, we're not uptrending right now, okay? But a mysterious large wallet investor bought 1.1 million worth of SHIB tokens on September 5. That was 2 days ago, okay? SHIB traders started a petition on change.org asking for a commissionless exchange to list Shiba Inu coin. Okay, so let me see who showed on Shiba. There is discussion now that believe that Shiba Inu can can't say this. There's some market analysts that believe Shiba Inu can overtake Dogecoin. That's pretty interesting. I never really thought about that. Okay, SHIB rally because Dogecoin's at 32 billion or 40 billion, and what is it? Now I gotta look. It's at 37 billion market cap. That would be amazing if we could reach that kind of market cap. Okay, so Shiba Inu's garnered mainstream attention. Yep. Blah, blah, blah. Let me hold on just a minute. Where is this? Okay, so here is the actual tweet that broke the news. An ETH whale just bought 150 million Shiba Inu, and they paid $1.126 million. Okay, that's the transaction. The said wallet, listen to this. This same wallet holds cryptocurrencies worth $158 million based on data from Well Stats. Historically, well movements drive the volatility of Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrencies, Doge and Shiba. The rising volatility currently has a positive impact on SHIB's price. And then FX Street is forecasting that we can hit 9 in the near future. Okay, and right now we're in the 6s. Okay, so what is the reason that I'm showing you this, and why is this relevant? Well, put simply, when I read this article and I saw this news, what immediately my reaction was the confidence level that this particular wallet, whomever owns this wallet, that by the way is valued at over $158 million. This is not a stupid person. This is a person who has a ton of assets, $158 million worth in one single wallet worth of cryptocurrencies. They're not making a bad choice. The fact that they're investing in Shiba Inu, to me, sends an extremely positive message. Again, smart person, big wallet, $158 million worth of crypto in that wallet, makes an investment into Shiba Inu. That's a good thing. That's how I looked at it. Okay, that's how I'm taking it, and that's how I'm discussing it. Okay, I think it's a positive thing, and I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to end on that note. I think this is an extremely cool thing. And and I'm not looking at it from a whale volatility, market manipulation standpoint. I'm looking at it like they made a choice to put $1 million plus into SHIB, and that's a good thing. It sends a message to me that there are some pretty darn good things in the future for SHIB because some pretty smart people are putting some money in. I'm going to leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you later. Take it easy.